Tired of a slow, bogged down Chrome browser overflowing with extensions you don't even use? Let's get rid of those unwanted apps in under 90 seconds and reclaim your browser speed. First, look to the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll see 3 vertical dots. That's the Chrome menu. Click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over More Tools. Another menu will pop out, and you need to select Extensions. This will take you to the page that manages all of your installed extensions. Alright, here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all the extensions currently installed on your Chrome browser. Next to each extension, you'll find a Remove button. To get rid of an extension, simply click the Remove button next to it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just to make sure you really want to delete it, go ahead and click Remove again in the pop-up window and poof, the extension is gone. Repeat this process for any other extensions you want to uninstall. And that's it, a cleaner Chrome browser, leading to faster browsing and improved security. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.